Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE Nubia Flip 2 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Nubia, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also in Nubia, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and finally decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and then point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. Close an ad, and as you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!